To transfer a design onto fabric, those of you who have a steady hand and are skilled in drawing and painting can easily transfer the design yourself using a pencil on white or light-colored fabrics, whether it's from a mobile screen or from a printed design. But for those who find this difficult, there are various other ways. One method you can use is to first print the design on paper and then use yellow carbon paper. Why do we use light-colored carbon paper? Because darker carbon papers tend to bleed their ink onto white fabric, and when you apply the paint, that ink spreads. So in the end, we won't get that clean finish we're looking for. That's why we use yellow carbon paper. We place the carbon paper on the fabric. Then, where we want to transfer the design, we place the design on top and secure it with a pin at the corner. Now, we start transferring the design with a pencil. Focus in on the main and important parts. You need to apply a bit of pressure with the pencil on your design. Not so much that the paper tears though, but enough so that the yellow carbon can actually transfer the design, which will darken a bit later on. We draw the outlines in the perimeter of the design. We'll add the inner parts, the highlights, and the very fine details ourselves later. All right, now the design has been transferred onto the fabric in yellow. Now we'll set the design aside. For the parts that are a bit lighter and hard to see, we might make a mistake when applying the paint. We'll start with a pencil, basically darkening it a bit so the design becomes clearer. But here, we don't press the pencil too hard anymore. This much is enough. And now our design on paper has been transferred onto the fabric. Now we'll start coloring.